it is a sad side because I've got some wonderful memories of the old scoreboard. I opened here with Michael Parkinson, and Jeff Boycott played it same side. He was still at school. He was at Hemsworth Grammar School. And so I have some wonderful memories. I mean, me and Parky put 200 on. So for the first wicket, so the old scoreboard would be showing 200. I think it was 210, something like that.
It's a sad day, really. But it was the first thing I ever saw when I came up here. Right. My aunt used to live on Shore Street, and I used to come up here in the 1930s, and that was the first thing you saw when you came up. So that like a sore thumb.
Well, Telford Mill's a former captain of Barnsley Cricket Club. I guess you've had quite a few worrying stares at that scoreboard in your time, and quite a few happy stares, have you?
Yeah, especially when I was bowling and they were thrashing me to the boundary. I thought, dear oh dear, as captain, I better get off. Yeah, it was good. There's no doubt about it. It wasn't electronic, but it was what we were brought up with, and a lot of people recognised it as Shore Lane. It was the first thing you saw when you came up the drive.